if you feel behind the dog's last rib, and you come back down the loin, you'll run into a point of bone. That's the wing of the ilium, and the furthest forward part, or the most cranial part, is called the cranial extent of the wing of the ilium, and that's right here. And then if you come further back, you'll feel the little tailbone, which is the ischium. So this is the cranial extent of the wing of the ilium. The actual hip joint is actually down here. You can feel the greater trochanter, which is a part of the femur, right here. It's a little harder to feel than the wing of the ilium, but that is where the hip joint is, not up here. Get it! This is a dog's pelvis. The pelvis is made up of 3 bones: the ilium, the ischium, and underneath the pubis. This wide front part of the ilium is called the wing of the ilium. And the top part that we can feel on the dog is called the cranial extent of the wing of the ilium. This is a hip joint. And you notice that it's a little bit lower than some people think. If you feel this point on your dog, that's not the hip. The hip joint is here, made up of the femur, which articulates with the acetabulum, which is the socket part of the pelvis. This point here is called the greater trochanter. You can feel that on your dog, but it's a little bit harder to feel.